Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faizal bin Sari Lokman. My student ID is 2023183251. Now I would like to make a short video, how to install PC from scratch lah. We will install the component one by one until we success to make use of the computer. Okay, this one we call is back panel of the motherboard. As we can see, this motherboard have PS2. Either we can use keyboard or for mouse. Two USB A. Then this one is HDMI. This one we call it as reset Wi-Fi. This one VGA port, DVI port, and then USB 3 speed lah. This one much more fast than this one. And then we have another 2 slot USB. One RJ45 slot is for internet, and then this for audio lah. Slot attached with this slot here. After we already install the RAM, the processor, now it's time to install this motherboard to the casing. And make sure the back panel fit. If you use screwdriver that have magnet, it will be much easier for you to screw the motherboard itself. So let's put the graphic card. This is graphic card from Asus, model R7240. The graphic card to the PCIe slot. So you can see there. So now we will screw the graphic card and then close the back panel with this case panel. So we will put the power supply that is from Cooler Master, 500 watt. Now we go to hard disk, 1 terabyte from Western Digital. The read is 64 meg. This one is blue one. The read only 32 meg cache. This is what we call SATA cable, which is from motherboard to the hard disk. So here, as you can see, this one is SATA 6G, SATA 6G2, 3G4, 3G3, 2, 1. So basically, SATA 6G is more faster than SATA 3G. So we will use this 2 port. So now we already finished install all the parts. Let's Yay, the computer have already boot Windows. Thumbs up.